Welcome back to my channel. Today in this video we are going to discuss about the top 10 updates. So first update, PM launch an innovation challenge for homegrown apps and the winner will get 20 lakh. PM Narendra Modi on Saturday announced that the Digital India Atma Bharat Innovate Challenge to identify the Indian apps that are already in use and have the potential to become the world-class app. The challenge has been launched in 8 categories such as social, networking, then entertainment, then e-learning, then gaming. And for each board category, the government has allocated a first prize of 20 lakh. On the other side, the number one individual YouTuber with the most number of subscribers, PewDiePie, said that the Sushant seems to be a good boy, good guy, someone that the industry needs. The YouTuber PewDiePie recently talked about the Sushant and said that he remembered him seeing a video of Sushant addressing a student in the university. He added that the late actor seems like a genuine good dude, a shame that he decided to end his life. I don't know everything about him and he seems to be someone that industry need. If we talk about PUBG, a boy spends 16 lakh on PUBG and father makes him walk in mechanic walk. A 14-year-old boy in Punjab, Kahar, spent 16 lakh on PUBG for various in-app purchase as he had access to his parents' bank account. His father said that he is now working in a scooty repair shop, adding his son his life-saving gift for medical expenses. Playing PUBG and spending money is something you should not do because earning is very tough than to spend. Even Pakistan have banned PUBG temporarily. A world-class picture has been set on the social media. ISRO shares a pictures of Mars' biggest moon taken by Mangalyaan. ISRO has shared a picture of Mars' closest and biggest moon Phobos, which was taken by Mars orbiter mission MOM, also known as Mangalyaan. Stigny, the largest crater on Phobos, along with the 3 others craters in this image you can see. And it was taken on 1st July when MOM was about 7,020 km from the Mars. As every day the number of COVID-19 cases is rising with the 20,000 plus cases, India's largest COVID-19 center ward in Delhi to be named after Galvan Valley martyrs. The Defense Research and the Development Organization has decided to name its wards Indian biggest COVID-19 facilities in Delhi after Indian soldiers who were martyrs in Galvan Valley. But the fact is that the facility which has been erected in Chhatarpur has a capacity of 10,000 beds and the size of 20 football field. So if we talk about a car, the Tesla overtook Toyota to become the world's most valuable car company. Elon Musk's late electronic car Tesla on Wednesday displayed Toyota as the world's most valuable car maker, and the market value has risen by 4%, giving it a market valuation of 208 million, where Toyota is 203.21 million. Tesla sales are more than double since the start of the year, and where on the other side the situation is getting worse and the pandemic is increasing. Kolkata banned the flight from 6 cities including Delhi and Bombay from 6 July. Kolkata airport on Saturday said that no flight from 6 cities shall operate to Kolkata from July 6 to July 19 till the further order, which is earlier. The country includes Delhi, Bombay, Pune, Nagpur, Chennai and Ahmedabad. The decision was taken on the request of West Bengal government in the view of the coronavirus pandemic. If we talk about sports, Bhubaneswar fast bowler announced that he wants Rajkumar Rao should play his role in the biopic. Indian team fast bowler Bhubaneswar Kumar has said that he would like to see Rajkumar Rao play his biopic once someone suggested that Rajkumar Rao has a lot of similarities with me in terms of physical appearance. He added that Bhubaneswar has represented India in 178 international matches so far. And if we come for the IPL 2020 will be held outside India in all probability. The BCCI added that the condition in India doesn't look suit for as it would be tough to create an atmosphere which will be safe for the player as well as for the fan amid the COVID-19. He further said that the UAE and Sri Lanka are the front runners to host the IPL 2020. But on the other side, the researchers feel that the COVID-19 pandemic will end in its own. There is no need of any vaccine. It has been over 6 months since we first heard of coronavirus vaccine. Let's wait and see for the pandemic. And the new poster came in the view of Ajay Devgan's film Maidan, inspired from a true story which is going to come on 13th April August 2021. So if you have liked my video, please do like and subscribe my video so that I can bring you the more updates, and till then, bye and take care.